Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you people are doing good. So, again, I'm continuing with the indices lesson. Next problem. So, problem number 23, I believe I'm starting with today. Problem number 23, I'm starting with. So, problem number 23. So, which has been asked in the year December 2011 question paper. 2011 question paper. The question is x to the power a whole power 1 divided by a divided by x to the power b whole power 1 divided by a to the whole power 1 divided by a minus b, okay, into x to the power b minus 1 whole power 1 divided by b into x to the power a minus 1 whole power 1 divided by a. So this is the question. X to the power a whole power 1 by a divided by x to the power b whole power 1 by a whole to the power 1 by a minus b into x to the power b minus 1 whole power 1 by b into x to the power a minus 1 whole power 1 divided by a. So now we have to simplify this problem. Okay, so let us simplify. So now x to the power a whole power 1 divided by a is there, correct? 1 divided by b, it is not a, this is b and this is a, okay, 1 divided by b. So now let us simplify. A ones are a, correct, divided by b. So x to the power a divided by b. Got my point? A ones are a divided by b. Same manner, x to the power b ones are b, b divided by a. So b divided by a. Understood? Whole power 1 divided by a minus b into x to the power, again b ones are b minus 1 divided by b. So x to the power b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power, let us put a bracket so that you don't get confusion, a ones are a divided by a, okay, x to the power a minus 1 divided by a. Clear? Any doubt till now? No, right? Fine. So next is, in the next step, the law which we can apply here, x to the power x bases are same, so x is there, so x is there. So now what we have to do, powers can be subtracted. A divided by b minus b divided by a, a divided by b minus b divided by a, okay, a divided by b minus b divided by a. This one I have shifted, so that is done. Whole power 1 divided by a minus b into x to the power b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power a minus 1 divided by a. Okay, so now in the next step, what we can do is we can do the cross multiplication, that is a into a square, b into b square divided by ab, so that we can do. or what we can do is a plus b minus a minus b divided by ab. That also we can do. Okay, that also we can do. So what it is, we'll do is a into a. First we'll cross multiply. Okay, a into a square, b into b square. So that we will do x to the power a into a square minus b into b square divided by ab whole power 1 divided by a minus b into x to the power b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power a minus 1 divided by a. Okay. So in the next step, what are we going to do? We will simplify this. That is x to the power a plus b minus x to the power a minus b divided by ab whole power 1 divided by a minus b into x to the power b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power a minus 1 divided by a. Okay, so now the common factor over here, which one is that? So for that, let us simplify still more so that you don't get confusion. X to the power a plus b, okay, minus a minus b divided by ab into 1 divided by a minus b, this one. So a minus b got cancelled, into left out x to the power b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power a minus 1 divided by a. Okay, so now in the next step, x to the power left out is a plus b divided by ab, okay, into x to the power b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power a minus 1 divided by a. Okay, so in the next step, when bases are same, powers can be added. So x to the power a plus b divided by ab plus b minus 1 divided by b plus a minus 1 divided by a. Okay, so now that is equals x to the power, that is equals x to the power a plus b into a into b minus 1, a into b minus 1 into b into a minus 1. Okay, this b has come here, this a has come here. So that is cross multiplication what we are doing. So that a goes here and b comes here. So a into b minus 1, b into a minus 1. Understood? Divided by ab, this ab. Okay, so next step, x to the power a plus b plus a into b, ab, okay, this a into b, ab, and this a becomes minus a plus b into a b again or b a, you can write any problem, not a problem. B a b I am writing a b minus b. Okay, so now the plus and minus figure should be cancelled. That is plus A and minus A. Plus A minus A got cancelled. Plus B and minus B got cancelled. Okay. So now left out is AB and AB. That is both positive. So x to the power, this AB remains same, divided by here AB and AB, that is positive. So that becomes 2AB divided by AB. Okay, so in the next step, AB gets cancelled. So left out is x to the power 2. So this is the ultimate answer, x to the power 2. I believe you have understood. So we can do LCM, but I have not shown you. So you can do LCM also for that. That is to get AB answer. That is here in this level, but it is not needed. So we can directly do it like that. So we are done with that. Okay. So I believe you have understood this particular problem. So we are moving further with the next problem. Problem number 24, right? Yes. So problem number 24. Simplify 3 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 to the power n divided by 3 to the power n plus 3 minus 3 to the power n plus 1. So we have to simplify this. So the next immediate stage, 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power n divided by, again, 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power n plus 3 to the power 1. Okay, so just we have bifurcating with the powers. Bases are bifurcated with the power. 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 1, this power 1, plus 3 to the power n. Here 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power n plus 3 to the power 1. Okay, this is how we have simplified. So in the next stage, 3 to the power n into 1 into 3 to the power 1, this one, okay, plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n, 3 to the power 3 is there. So 1 into 3 to the power 3, how much? That is 3 into 3 into 3, correct? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27 minus is there. So here minus is there, minus 3 to the power n value is 1 minus 3 to the power 1 is 3. Okay. So in the next stage, 3 n's are cancel. So left out figure is 3 1's are 3 plus 1 divided by 127's are 27 and 1 minus 3, that is 1 into 3. It is 1 into 3, sorry, 1 3's are 3. So that is minus 3. So in the next stage, 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 27 minus 3 is 24. So that is equals 4 1's are 4 6's are 4 1's are 4 6's are. That is 1 divided by 6 is the answer. 1 divided by 6 is the answer. I believe you have understood, or you have any doubt? No, right? Yes. So we will move to the next problem without any further delay. So the next problem is problem number 25. And the problem says clearly, that is simplify 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 2 whole power 3 divided by 4 into 3 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power 4 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 9. So this is the problem we have to simplify. So let us simplify in the next series, that is next level. So 2 to the power 3, that means how much? 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So that means 5 to the power 8 minus 2 3s are 6, 5 to the power 6, correct, divided by 4 into 3 to the power 3 is there, so 3 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power 1, because 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1, so 4 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 9. So in the next step what happens? 5 to the power 8 minus 5 to the power 6, 5 to the power 8 minus 5 to the power 6 divided by 4 into 3 to the power 3 plus 4 into 5 to the power 3 is there, right? Since the power value is greater, to understand this, the numerator and denominator, numerator power value is less and denominator power value is more. So in such a case, I have told you at the beginning what law you have to apply. So wherever the power value becomes more, greater than the denominator's power value, how we have to consider, that also I have taught you, correct? Yes, no? Yes. So that is seventh law. If you look at that, seventh law, in that also I have explained clearly. So whenever basis value are same and power value that numerator and denominator power value is greater here, so then we are going to bring it down. Clear? So how much we will get now if I do that? So when is greater, so 1 divided by 5 to the power 9 minus 3, that law only we are applying. So if you want, you can see that law number 2, indices law 2. So in that I have clearly told n is greater than m. So what are we going to do? That I have clearly explained. So now by applying that law, what I am doing, 1 divided by 5 to the power 9 minus 3. Okay, because here that denominator's power is greater than numerator power. Okay, so then in the next stage what happens? That is equals to 5 to the power 8 minus 5 to the power 6 divided by 4 into 3 to the power 3 plus 4 into 1 divided by 5 to the power 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so let us move further. So I am copying the same step so that you don't get confusion. 5 to the power 8 minus 5 to the power 6 divided by 4 into 3 to the power 3 plus 4 into 1 divided by 5 to the power 6. Okay, so now in the next stage, what I am going to do is, five to the power 6, 5 to the power 6, okay, 5 to the power 6, 5 to the power 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2 minus 1 divided by 4 into 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 value how much? 27, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into plus 4 into 1 divided by 5 to the power 6. So this 5 to the power 6 and this 5 to the power 6 got cancelled. Okay, this 5 to the power 6 and this 5 to the power 6 got cancelled, so 1 remained same. This 5 to the power 6, out of that I have deducted, so 5 to the power 2 I have got. So now I have 5 to the power 2 minus 1, okay, divided by 27 fours. Use the calculator and find the answer. How much? 27 fours. How much you people want? 27 into 4. So that is 108 plus 8. 27 4 is 27 into 4. 108 plus 4. That is 112. Okay, that is 112. That is 112. So this gone. So now there is no any amount left. 5 to the power of 2 is 5 5s are 25 minus 1 divided by 108 plus 4 is 112. So that comes to 24 divided by 112 is your answer. Okay, so practice it so that you will get the clarity while solving. Okay, so we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next session. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family members. Stay safe. Stay home. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.